Good evening, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is Tuesday, April the 9th, 2024. This is going to be spring startup number 4, I think, of my 16-inch Galaxy window fan that I picked up just recently. This is my latest and most recent fan acquisition. And I have gotten the fan out at least one time, and I did an initial checkout of it. Fan came with its original box, as you can see. Fan is even older than what I had originally anticipated. This dates back to the early 80s from what I had gathered, seeing other videos, and from what I have been told from other fan fanatics on fan forums on Facebook. Fan works very well. It's in really good shape. Basically, all I had to do to it was put a screw into the side panel. All it needed was a screw and a bolt. So, what I'm going to be doing today is that I'm going to be getting this thing cleaned up, see what I can do about giving it a good service, and this is what I will be using in my bedroom window tonight. This is a model 2155A. It is a 3-speed reversible, which works well for me, and it is the temperatures are starting to get spring-like again, so I'm really in need of a good window fan to use in my window tonight. So I'm gonna get this thing out of the box. I'm going to disassemble it. I'm just gonna give it a good cleaning. I pretty much know what to do. It's really not that much to do. I think that the fan is basically just encased into the window mount itself. So I really don't think there's all that much to it. So go ahead and I'm going to get this thing out of the box. Okay, so here it is. It's really going to need some work here. Basically, all I'm going to do is that I'll just spray it with some cleaner and wipe it down with a paper towel and see if I can get the motor apart to give it a good servicing, get it put back together, and this is good to go. Of course, I'm going to be putting this up on the fan group. On I Heart Fans. So if you are a follower of the fan groups on Facebook, go check me out there, and you should see the post of the fan there, and you'll know that it's me. So let's go ahead and get this thing pulled apart. It's just mounted together with these 3 screws here. And I think that it just comes out, and I think that's pretty much all there is to it. So here we go.
can't find you, there's no place to go, nothing to do. If you gotta do something, you gotta do something. Believe in yourself, yourself, yourself. Hey!
Extraordinary things can happen if you believe in yourself. You got to have the faith in yourself if you want respect from your friends.
Don't rearrange, no need to change. Stay like you are, keep it all the same. But as you move along in your life, keep an open mind. And don't forget that if you gotta do something, believe in yourself, yourself, yourself.
Extraordinary things can happen if you believe in yourself. You got to have the faith in yourself if you want respect from your friends.
When you feel tight, look at yourself.
Inside your heart you will find a special place to unwind.
When you feel right, look at yourself.
Inside your mind you see cosmic eternity. Inside your heart you will find a special place to unwind.
When you feel right, look at yourself.
Inside your mind you will see cosmic eternity.
Okay, good morning everybody. Fan is put back together. Everything looks like it cleaned up well for the most part. Here's the inside of the fan there. And there's the housing as well. Quick, simple little cleanup, and the motor was serviced as well as I tried to get in the video. Wasn't able to get it fully apart because one, I was kind of running short on time, and I wasn't going to take any chances by taking the stator apart, but it turned out pretty good nonetheless. Well, let's go ahead and fire this thing up now, and we'll see it in action for the first time in the window, starting on the intake. Okay. Very quiet. This fan is very quiet. And I like the volume of air that it's pushing too. Let's turn it down to medium. rattles a little bit. But that really doesn't bother me. Now low. That's a good low speed right there. Okay, let's turn it back up to the high. Now we'll see the spin down. This is a sleeve bearing motor too, by the way. I thought it would have been a ball bearing, but it's a sleeve bearing. Okay, now we will start it on the exhaust. Now that is cool. Feel it pulling that air in from the window right there. Just love how quiet that thing is. It has some vibration, particularly on the medium speed. Let's see what I can do to do something about that. I haven't decided yet if I'll be using this as a sleeping fan. Low speed on the reverse is pretty good too, considering of what a gentle breeze it pulls in through the room. It's a good thing I'm getting more window fans for this room too, with there being 2 windows with a room as small as this is. I think this room is about as probably about the same size as what my bedroom was from my old house. And my old bedroom only had 1 window, and that didn't turn out very well. That created a big suction whenever I had to shut the door for something. So this works great now. This definitely these will definitely benefit greatly. Okay. Not bad. I like this one. Well, there you go, everybody. There is spring startup number 4 of my Galaxy 16 reversible window fan. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and over and out.